never miss out on a business opportunity. So I'm Mariana. I'm head of customer success at noCRM, and I've been working for the company since its early days. So I saw the product being born. Well, before noCRM, we used to sell another product, and we had a CRM implemented in the company, and basically it was slowing us down. CRM systems are thought for the marketing department, for the C-level people, for the sales managers. They're not thought for sales reps. They're super complicated to use for a salesperson, and they hate to use it. And they're right. It's not that salespeople are lazy, it's just that they don't have the right tool to work on a daily basis. The objective is to help salespeople manage their leads. When you log in the morning, you have your to-do list. You know exactly the leads that you need to work on, and you know exactly what it is that you did last with those leads. You do what it is that you have to do. You move the lead to standby. At the end of the day, you have nothing left on your to-do list, and you have set reminders for the next actions. So you know exactly what it is that you need to do next. So you never miss out on a business opportunity, which is the most important thing in the sales department. All right, so in the morning, I log into noCRM and I access my pipeline where I see all the leads that I need to handle today. So they're all in red, to-do list. And today I'm gonna focus right now on John and Associates. I'm closing, so I really need to call them to make sure that we plan our last meeting to sign the contract. So I call John. Let's say we just did it, it worked. We're scheduling the last meeting for next week. So I log the call, I put a little summary of the call, and then I change the status to standby, and I define the day. It's a meeting, I save it, it's gone from my pipeline. It will come back in 7 days, the day we have the meeting, so that I don't forget to handle it and attend that meeting. I close the deal. So what's also great about noCRM is that you can create leads in seconds. So I'm working, I have an incoming call. I just click on the new lead button and I enter the essential information, their first name or last name, their email. I click on create a lead. So it's in my to-do list, so I'm sure that I won't forget to handle this lead. And there are other ways also to create leads inside noCRM that are very fast. I can scan a business card, I can import prospecting lists, and I can integrate with lead generation software or other software if needed. As you see, it's so fast to create leads that it's a lot more efficient than the Post-its, and you know that 100% of the leads are in your pipeline. So it's very easy to start. You just create a free trial, there's no contract, you set up your pipeline, and you invite your users, you start creating leads. Well, the fact that salespeople actually love to use the software. So because they like to use the software, they will log all their activities, and there's no more fighting with them to get the reportings done, as it's done as they work. You know how many calls they did, how many meetings they attended, how many deals they've closed, everything is there. And if you find something great that a person did, you can share it with the rest of the team. So at the end of the day, it's a win-win situation. And that's what makes noCRM amazing for sales teams.